the bank. I ain't drove in 2 days. Neither why. Right. Driving this in the snow. I ain't trying to mess up my underbody or nothing. I'm not trying to get no rest. We got a lot of life left. I just put it to 110,000 miles. I got it at 99. Okay. I got it to 110, but I was going out of town to pick up my nephew. All the way 13 hours away. 879 miles, I believe. There, 879 back, so 26 hours. And not mentioning, we was driving around while we was down there. So it's like I was putting a lot of miles on the travel. It's on go right now because I ain't drove it in 2 days. So yeah, it's on go for real. I ain't got my oil change since I got back. And I went out of town like September. I haven't got an oil change yet. I had the oil change sticker in my window because I normally get it on like every 5,000 miles or something, but I haven't even been driving it to even put 5,000 on it. But I was like doing so much for it, I was just like, I'm gonna wait till the light cut on, saying I need an oil change. I gotta get my sensors recalibrated. Well, not even that. Oh, they updated that? That's right. This car been here for like two days, smashed up this here. What does it call? It's a damn scat pack. I always be trying to race scat packs. Just to see what they I think I only had like 4 real racers that actually wanted to race a Corvette. My man's AJ, Dallas. I don't think I had no more real races for real. Like most of the time we be in traffic and they just see my car and they just I debadged it, so it's like they don't know what I got, so they don't know if they should race me or not. I just got the RT put back on it so people know it's a RT. Watch this. Let me make it. Oh, make me ears there. I'm not gonna lie. you won't be able to tell the stuff that I got left to do. You won't be able to see it personally. Only thing you will be able to see is the wicker wheel on my spoiler. Everything else, I think, is like inside and steering wheel. The rest gonna be engine mods and stuff like that. That's a Lexus turbo. Whatever that's a supercharger. But yeah, you're not gonna be able to see the rest of the stuff that I do. So it's like, just stay tuned. I'm gonna make videos about it. This dude close as hell. You don't know how to drive? That's a female. No wonder. No freaking wonder. It never fails. Females get so close to my car, trying to hit me or something. I don't know what they do. I feel crazy. Well, I ain't gonna say females, but my mama drive good as hell. I fall asleep in the car with her. Some females, I can't even close my eyes when I'm in the car with them. I barely want to get on my phone, but it's like, to take my mind off of watching them drive, I get on my phone. But I don't even know, like 6 females that with a car that I get in. Yeah. Other than that, I'm driving my own car. I'm going wherever we going, I'm driving. Not getting in nobody else's car. Not about to kill me. Yeah. But it's like long as ever. Can't believe she gets close. To the house space. Probably this week, definitely this week. It's been school. I really plan on keeping this car for. After I do all the mods, I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna start working on my truck. That's gonna be on my channel too. I'm gonna show y'all the start to finish on my truck. It's a Ram 1500 Rumblebee. It's only like 500 black ones and like 250 yellow ones. And I got the number, I don't remember what number it is. I think like number 53 out of all of that. And you would hop out here turning slow as, oh yeah. Okay. Everybody driving silly today. I give you a pass because you got a handicap license plate. But that don't mean do that though. Try to hop out here and make me crash into you. I'm doing a speed limit. Maintain the speed limit. Don't jump in front of me. You gotta go a little faster because I'm coming. I should get that. Oh yeah, that's another. Not a mod. I won't call it a mod, but like another look to my car. I'm gonna get a sun strip, and then I'm thinking, should I get my YouTube up there in reflective blue or something? But I'm gonna just show y'all when I get it. That should be happening within the next month. But like the whole January, February, March until spring, it's gonna be inside mods done because I want my car to be talking about pulling 200 extra horsepower. People are like, what? That's an RTE. I want to just take off on scats, all of that. So I will be doing inside mods the whole January. I just found somebody to actually do it. I'm texting them right now about a price so I can get started on. Drop my car off and they can get started on that ASAP. Spring gonna be. I was gonna get a wrap. I might still do that because I got a better color in mind. Color. I don't know why I said it like that. But I do got a better color in mind, so I'm like, I might just do that. I ain't seen no police yet. I normally see police every time I'm out. But right now, looks wise, it look good. Now I'm working on the speed on it. Think about getting a whole new dash. New steering wheel. I know I want a new steering wheel. I just was texting somebody about that. Nothing else really. The engine mods, that's it. The last, everything right there. it's probably just gonna be a supercharger. I heard pro chargers wear down too fast, so I'm gonna go with the supercharger. Supercharger plus 150 horsepower plus a tune, depending on what tune I get, is like plus 50 horsepower right there. So it's like that's 200 extra horsepower, and I'm already pushing like 385. So 385 plus 200, 585. I'm gonna make that happen. I want to show y'all how fast a RT could be for real. Cause really, RT scat packs is RTs. It's not a plain scat pack, it's RT scat pack. That's basically what I'm gonna make, but with the older body style. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be back though. Soon as I got off the video, damn, soon as I got off the video, fucking white charger pulled up on the side of me. So I gave him a little gas to see if he was trying to race. He did not want no smoke. He's still back there. If only he come up here, but I'm waiting to see what he do. He is, but it's like I'm slowing down for him to catch up. He's about to get caught at the light, of course. Should have waited at the light for him. I might wait at this light for him. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that. See what he's talking about. I should go get some gas. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Go get some gas after I leave the bank. I'm trying to make it 12:27. I don't even feel like it. If only I could show y'all. I could see all my louvers, but it's not showing y'all. Let me see. Nope. No hope with that. Wish I could have played some music, but they ain't got nothing.
So I would do that.
Yeah, ain't nothing. I don't think he wants to know who he is right here. He or she, I don't know what they is. Why you? Oh, they getting over. At the gas station, need a wash, man. Gonna go get some gas. My junk is filthy. Motherfucker clean. That motherfucker clean. Just left the bank for the gas station. Shit. Coffee. Not coffee. Hot chocolate. I'm tripping. Oh, that motherfucker feel like he get bigger every day. Nigga had a nice ass. Dude had a nice ass RT. 2010 model too. Hellcat spoiler and all. With a wicker wheel. And did his thing. If I'm not mistaken, it's him right here. He right here too. That's crazy. He right on the side of me. Let me see if I can get this for y'all. Try to. Yeah, shit nice. He did his thing. I give him that. Definitely did his thing. I kind of figured he wanted to race or something when we was there. When we was at the gas station, he kept looking at it. I looked up like, what the? He did his thing. To him real quick. He on go. He trying to get through traffic and everything. Catch up to you real quick. See what he talking about. See what he talking about. This nice clean RT, man. What you know about that? He ain't about that charger life for real. I gotta get my wicker wheel though. That's clean. I need to wash everything. He keep that tip top condition. I like that. It sound like he got some mods done to his junk. All kind of stuff. Can I see him? Oh, can't even see him no more. Oh, there you go. Sound like he got some mods done on that thing though. It's nice. Did his thing, keeping it clean too. Yeah, definitely. But I don't think he want to smoke with me. Little devil. He don't want to smoke. Nice. Real nice. I mess with the exhaust tips, beautiful carbon fiber. You even got a carbon fiber splitter on the front of that thing. Definitely. We should get her Instagram or something so I could get in touch with him.
don't think he got one.
Not gonna lie. Tim Horton did they thing, making these. Did they thing. Got a little content for y'all. Oh, I got them? Oh, I was about to say. I got 2 dogs right there. I'll give it a little gap. Might get on the freeway on the way back. I don't know how I'm feeling. Might as well. Never mind. Numbers on me look okay. Another RT. Like police shooter. Right there. Y'all seen it. Parked at the Taco Bell. Oh my goodness. Yep. Definitely time. I'll be back.